I want to create my own clothing brand. I play Point Brand.
The beach is my inspiration.
I need the best material for my shirts.
Changers and Sturvish Par. The logo must look modern.
This color is perfect. So,
I will sew the first sample myself. The fit looks very comfortable. Sizes are very important for customers. Our fails are Schweizerls. Details make the brand special.
this pattern is for the summer dress. I will sell my clothes online. My website is now live.
Hakjes på bra. En en dag bekijkes du på bra.
I need great pictures for social media.
The turquoise looks amazing. The turquoise looks amazing. Oh, people love the beach style. My first sale. I am so happy. I must ship this today.
The business is growing fast.
Budgeting is part of the job. I can make clothes faster now. I must finish the collection. Paisarago? Hats are a great addition. This dress feels light and airy. I need a team to help me. I need it to help me.
Wel, Chathouse, Therese Fro, Praxomanierd. You're in Timbury Tarboro. You're sewing.
Tell me about your sewing skills.
We are working together well. My brand is going international. Bye, Brian.
We in Kelspelklaar. We have a lot of inventory.
Afid Har. This is a huge opportunity. My brand is official. Everything looks so elegant. Our sales are increasing. Winter is coming next.
This wool towing, as ply, is very high quality.
I have so many plans.
The coat is warm and stylish. The advertisement is perfect.
Jowlder, wheat your mo. Yes, we can send 50 shirts.
A quick break for some caffeine.
Nice to meet you all virtually. This is my dream.
It was a long journey, but I did it.
I won an award. He's you style brain, side till breath, sub say my roared. Dang!
Thank you to my wonderful team.
I love making people happy with my clothes.
Arsa al Paul. Silk is so smooth and luxurious.
I am always learning new things.
I have my passport and my designs.
Whew. I am ready for the next step.
Paris is the city of fashion.
The show starts in 1 hour.
Everything must be perfect. I hope they like the designs.
Thank you, Paris.
We are opening a real store.
Our first physical shop. The store looks so welcoming. I want to help the sea. Nitzer Ashwi Fermi Soul. I am so lucky to do what I love.
The adventure never ends.
I see Werfav Hatchfagorsa. I started with just one idea.
Many more years of success.
Always believe in yourself.